Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you guys are doing well. My name is Radha, and in our today's session, I'm going to explain you about SAT examination. Hope you guys already know about this, but let's go through with it. Why it is important, what is SAT, when you can give these exams and all. Right? I'm going to give all this information to you in my today's session. Let me show my screen. And yes. All right. So I'm thinking that yes, you guys can see my screen. So first of all, what is SAT and why it is important to us, right? So SAT is what? It's a college entrance test. It is your college entrance test and that measures the student's readiness for your university level education. And it assesses your the skills like critical reading, writing, and the math skills. It assesses these things. Now, if I go with the general overview, this it forms a full form of SAT is what? It's Scholastic Assessment Test, or sometimes it is also called Scholastic Adaptive Test as well, right? So this is Assessment Test or Adaptive Test both. Now, what is the purpose? Purpose is definitely the purpose for this exam is to take admission test and using for the United States, especially if you guys are interested to take admission in a very good colleges in US, you have to give this examination. And who organized this examination? So it is organized by the college board, right? So now your question is how many times you can give this? So definitely you have number of chances to give this examination. At least, I mean, the number of frequencies what? 7 times a year in US and fewer in internationally. It maybe if you are somewhere else, then in that case, maybe less than seven. But for US, it is 7 times. So you have number of chances to give this examination. If your not, score is not so good, you are not happy with your score, maybe in the first test, you may attempt it again. Then, if we talk about the duration, the exam duration is total 2 hours and 14 minutes in the digital format, new digital format. So, what is new digital format? Before 2024, the exam was given pen and paper type exam. But now, after 2024, the exam is totally digital. All right. Then if we talk why we are giving, why the SAT is important, so definitely as I already explained you, it is accepted by many university outside the US also, including like Canada, UK, and Europe. So if your goal is to take admission anywhere internationally, so this exam is very important for you guys. Now, the next thing is what? How much it cost to give this examination. So it is very simple. I mean, a minimal amount is that this is $60 for US and maybe it range between 100 to 120 internationally for different countries. It depends again. All right. So hope you guys understand what is SAT examination, what is the overview of the exam, why it is important. All right. Now let us see some more points about this examination. So again, what are the key features? Why it is so much important? So college board admission required. If you want to take admission in any college, many of US college and university required to accept the SAT exam score, right? And also accepted by other countries, as I already explained you, like Canada, UK, Europe, and Asia. Then next is what? Again, scholarship opportunity. You have if your score is very good, your merit is very good, right? If you are scoring maybe 1500 plus, there is a chance to get a scholarship opportunity. Strong SAT score can help you to qualify a merit-based scholarship. This is very useful. Financially aid and tuition discounts you may get. All right. Also, next is what? Globally recognition. So definitely this score is internationally recognized and accepted by all the top worldwide universities. So again, that's why it is very important. Then next is what? Standardized measure. Basically, provide the college with a common matrix. I mean, it has a common things like school curriculum, background. There is nothing. Anyone can give this exam. There is no partiality. Like if you are from this curriculum, you cannot give it. No, there is no such thing. Anyone can give this exam. And then again, as I already explained you, skill assessment. So this is a way to assess your skills like reading comprehension, grammar, algebra, problem solving, and which is useful for your future, I mean in your college as well, right? So that's why again, if you're giving this examination, it is a quite good to assess your knowledge as well. Then next is what SAT can be substituted for other tests as well. Yes, in some cases, SAT can replace your entrance exam in for international or local universities as well. All right. Then next, again, because this test assess your knowledge for maths, reading and writing, so that definitely help you in academic strength and your weakness and help you to improve in your college. All right. Okay. Then the next is again improve college application profile. If you are registering for a college, definitely this is score highlights your profile to the college. It adds a star to your I mean sheet, right? So high score strengthens your application, especially when paid for a strong GPA and easy way. Then next is what? Flexibility in a test date. Definitely, it happens multiple times. As I told you, you can give 7 times in a year. So it's up to you. Whenever you think, okay, you are ready to give this exam, you can go for it. Then, of course, pathway to competitive schools. So, high SAT score boost your chances to get, elite institution, a very good like Harvard University, Stanford, and others, right? So that's why SAT examination is very, very important. And also, you know, for your SAT examination, the score validity is for 5 years. So if you're giving, let's suppose you're giving your exam this year, then it is valid for next 5 year as well. So this is a positive and plus point for you guys. Also then it is conducted by our centers, like, and the centers will provide you the devices and devices to for your exam. Also they allow you to take your own device if you want to take your own device, because it is totally digital. So if you want to take your own device like calculator, your laptop, anything, they allow you to take your own as well. All right, so this is all about the SAT examination. And if you guys are preparing for it, then in our just wait for my next session. In the next session, I will explain you what is the pattern of the examination. All right, see you. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you for watching.